Let us see how to make the refreshing drink Kacha Mango Panna. For this, I've taken one Kacha mango and now I'm going to completely remove the skin. This is to ensure that the bitterness of the skin doesn't seep through into the juice. After removing the skin, we separate the pulp from the seed completely. For about 2 to 3 glasses of Sharbat, I think we'll be able to use one complete mango. Post removing the pulp, we're going to nicely chop it into small pieces so that we can put it into a container and then place it into the pressure cooker for nicely cooking it. Here you see I'm going to nicely place this into a container and then place it into a pressure cooker. Prior to switching on the pressure cooker, we have 1 glass of water into the cooker and then 1 glass soaking the mango as well. We give it 2 whistles and then you will see that the mango has completely got cooked. Now we will use this cooked mango pulp into a mixer jar. We completely empty this mango pulp and then top it up with some salt. We will then add some pepper and then top it up with some jaggery powder. We will then nicely grind it in the mixer grinder. Add about half a glass of water to dilute this thick mixture of mango pulp that we have. Mix it well and then add some chaat masala to provide us with some tangy taste. Add some ice cubes to provide a refreshing taste during summer. Our fresh mango panna is ready to be had.